What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Squid, or at least you can call me Squid. Today's a cool day. I just found out that I've reached 100 subscribers, and it happens to be early December, so this is an early Christmas gift for me. I want to appreciate every single one of you guys who supported this channel. It's not a crazy deal, but it's still a cool feat. I wouldn't have done it without the help of you guys. I just want to talk a little bit of the channel and what I plan to do in the future. This channel is basically about the things I like, mainly electronics and like tech. I'm very big into the audio and video side of things. Occasionally I'll dab into some gaming, but as you can see behind me, I have kind of a selection or a collection of like audio equipment. And that row back there has some camera equipment too. What I'm getting at is this channel is, I know it's been a lot of mini discs, but I do plan to talk about other things that are related to technology, and I'm really big into making things. I might talk about making keyboards here and there, but ultimately I have a really big passion for music. I'm not a musician or a producer by any means, but I appreciate like the hi-fi community. I'm kind of an audiophile, and I do want to talk about things like this. You know, fancy or pretty colored IEMs or digital to analog converters. That's just later down the road. I just want to thank you guys for supporting this channel, and yeah, I wouldn't have done it without you guys. Thanks for hanging out.